All right, Amber, what would you like to work on?
So I would like to work on not feeling safe in my body, not feeling safe to be vulnerable, not feeling safe to receive.
Mm. Okay. When you think about not being safe in your body or not being safe to be vulnerable to receive, what emotion do you feel?
So there's like a two ends of the spectrum. So on one end, I feel completely numb and shut down. And
Okay.
on the other end, I feel like a lot of urgent restlessness and a lot of fear, maybe even terror. So there are two kind of extremes, pendulum states that I go through.
Okay, if you were to rate the restlessness on a scale of 1 to 10, 10 being the most intense, where would you rate it?
10.
Okay, and if you were to rate the terror from a scale of 1 to 10, where would you rate it?
10, both of them. Yeah.
Hmm. Let's work on the terror that feels stronger. Okay.
Hmm.
Right. So if you allow yourself to just feel into that terror, right? It's just an emotion, can't really hurt you. Just feel into that terror. Where do you feel tension in your body?
So, between solar plexus and sacral chakras, like my stomach is completely turned. Like yeah, it's like very, I feel it very intensely, but also in my heart. So I think these 3 points.
Hmm. Okay, so I'd like you to allow yourself to feel into the emotion of terror. And remember, it's just an emotion, can't hurt you, right? Just feeling
Yeah.
into it and drop your awareness into the center of that tension. If that tension moves, just follow it. I want you to stay there, okay?
Yeah.
So feel into that terror, drop your awareness into that tension and stay there, okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Okay. Terror, you absorbed conception, first, second, third trimester, delete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, delete. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, delete. 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 Mothers, 10, 100,000, 10, 100, 1, 2. Shh. Mother side going back 10, 100, 1, 2. Fathers, 10, 100,000, 10, 100, 1, 2. Shh. Father side going back 10, 100, 1, 2. Family, friends, enemies, partners, 10, 100,000, 10, 100, 1, 2. Shh. Collective conscious, subconscious, unconscious, 10, 100,000, 10, 100, millions, 1, 2. Other lifetimes, 10, 100,000, 10, 100, millions, 1, 2, 3. Shh. Down to 0. All right. Psychic interferences, 10, 100,000, 10, 2, down to 0. Strengthen your exit portals, soles of your feet, palms, rectum, sacrum, colon, urinary system, genetic black holes in the body, integrating black holes universe, 100% down to 0. Okay, let's clear negative experience lifetimes with being female, 10, 100,000, 10, 100, down to 0. Negative experience lifetimes with being a woman of color, 10, 100,000, 10, 100, 7. Negative experience lifetimes with Pakistan, being Pakistani with Pakistanis, 10, 100,000, 10, 100, down to 0. Okay, clear negative experience lifetimes with terrorism, massacres, genocides, ethnic cleansings, wars, famine, 10, 100,000, 10, hundreds, 1, 2, down to 0. Okay, we also need to clear negative experience lifetimes with living in a very oppressive society, mm, family, okay, religious oppression, political oppression, cultural oppression, dictatorships, 10, 100,000, 10, 102, down to 0. Okay. Dictatorship, dictators. How many dictators? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. Let's clear that down to 0. And then lifetimes of having a dictator in your family or being married to a dictator. 10. Percentage, 10, 100,000, 10, 102. Clear that down to 0. Some kind of regime, some kind of rebellion regime or revolution. 10, 100,000, 10, 102. Let's clear that down to 0. Okay, spiritual, 5, 10, 14, 15. Clear negative self-beliefs. Send, 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 send. Show ignore 6 portals and send. Limitations from the ancestors. Clear. Miasms from the lifetimes. Clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Delete 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Delete 21, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Delete 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Delete. Clear. Okay, persecution. 10, 100,000, tens, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Down to 0. 10, 100,000, 10, 2. Clear. Lifetimes going into hiding, being hidden. Down to 0. 5, 10, 14. Okay, Amber, how does that feel now?
So as you started, the energy started moving upwards. So it's between the solar plexus and the heart chakra now. But I think it has gone down to a 5. It's like at least half of the energy is like I feel lighter.
Okay, good. All right, 5. All right, let's work on getting that down a bit more, okay?
Thank you.
So lean into that 5 out of 10 strong. And you said it's moved into what area?
So solar plexus and heart chakra, it's like somewhere between where
It's
the ribs are. Like
moved up.
yeah, it's like
Okay.
yeah.
All right. So feel into that, drop your awareness into that, stay there, please. Okay, Amber, how does that feel now?
It feels a lot better. I feel like I can let my breath go. Like I was holding my breath the whole time,
All right.
but it's it's I think three, 3.5. But I think yeah, it feels a lot better.
Okay.
Yeah,
All right. Well,
yeah.
let me just do a little bit more, okay? Do a little bit
Okay,
more.
thank you.
Okay. Lean into that 3.5. Drop your awareness into the tension. Stay there, please. Okay, Amber, how does that feel now?
It's a two. Like I suddenly felt like something just left. So like it's like a relief. So yeah, much better.
Good,
Yeah, thank you so much.
good.
Yeah,
You're welcome.
I appreciate this. Thank you.
Oh,
Bye.
you're welcome. You're welcome.